Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Today, we have some significant events on the horizon. In India, the RBI monetary policy announcement is scheduled for 10 a.m. Meanwhile, in the US, the non-farm payroll data will be closely watched, which could impact bullions, base metal, and the currency market. Going ahead, let's understand what's there for USD INR today. The rupee is expected to strengthen slightly due to a pullback in the dollar index and support from lower crude oil prices. We anticipate the MPC to maintain a hawkish pause, keeping interest rates unchanged due to persistent inflation. Therefore, for today, we are expecting USD INR to trade between 83.15 to 83.25. Moving on to the energy update, oil prices are facing their sharpest weekly decline since March. Concern about high interest rates, potential causing a recession, and weakening fuel demand are causing this decline. Gasoline demand is at its lowest seasonal level in the last 25 years. Today, we might see some short covering, but all eyes are on the US non-farm payroll data tonight, the US CPI, and China's economic data next week. Technically, crude oil pivot level is around 6,959. If crude oil rises above 7,043, it may move upside to the levels of 7,145. Conversely, if it drops below 6,797, we might see downside levels of 6,695. Going ahead with base metal, copper has been trading luxury due to holidays in China and limited liquidity in Southeast Asian refined copper market. Keep an eye on the LME week starting from October 9th as it could impact market sentiments. Regarding copper, the pivot level is at 698. If it breaks above 701, it may move upside to the levels of 704. If it drops below 693, we might see a downside levels of 689. Now let's discuss about precious metal. Gold has been trading steadily, but it's eyeing US labor data due on Friday. A slight downside in hiring could relieve pressure on gold. However, if the data surprises on the upside, gold might trend lower. For gold, the pivot level is at 56,677. If gold surpasses 56,816, it could reach to the levels of 56,987. And conversely, if it falls below 56,400, we might see it drop to the levels of 56,229. Today's major economic event to watch are average hourly earnings, non-farm payrolls, and unemployment rate change. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day and thank you for tuning in.